Let's do this, guys. Ooh. For reading this, congratulations. You're the owner of the engineer thoroughly designed a specifically crafted part 27 have created. The inlet cast aluminum finish guaranteed quality and superior fitment due to the artisan casting. The turbo inlet uses a unique number of authenticity. You want to know more about what it makes you can journey create? Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Let's do this. Woo. Damn. Hey, yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Jake. Thank you. Thank you. I am really stoked. Thank you. Hey, yeah. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Let's do this. Here's all the hardware. This is all the hardware. All the hardware. Got the hose that comes with the adapted to the SR1 short ram intake. The hoses, hose clamps, ooh, gaskets, pipes, fittings, cover them. Oh man, I think I don't have one of these. Shit, I need to grab my work one, rivet them into it. Shit. I have my rivet installer tool. Damn, this is nice though. Hey yeah. It's hella nice. This is hella nice. Heck yeah, man. Heck yeah. Sit like this in there. That's nice, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, I was fighting with this thing. So this line out here, back here, was hitting this one. So I had to adjust that one, adjust the P-clamp so I can tighten it from back here. And got the gasket in and everything. So everything's tightened up. Got that mounted on. So everything's out. Getting there. It was a little different from the instructions they had on the website, guys, but it's pretty straightforward. I kind of just winged it a little, stop here and there just to see what I got, and I had plugged this one, the coolant, so I can take the inlet off. So we're almost there, guys. It's gonna be done. Alright guys, let's see how this sounds. I'm gonna change the view on this thing. Fuck it, sorry. Let's go. Let's see how it sounds. Ooh, I can hear it already. Oh. So I got the cooler intake, the bigger inlet tube to the turbo now, and the intercooler all from 27 watt. And I got the downpipe all the way to the cat back, all the way back for the 1.5. And we're gonna do a little test drive right now. Oh, I don't need your help.
Okay, I'll help by not helping. Okay, I'll help by not helping.
Here we go. This is all in regular, normal mode. Damn, that's louder. Ooh, the intake sound is louder. Damn, guys, the intake sound is louder for a cooler intake. Way louder. Yeah. Holy shit. Way louder. Okay, I kind of look stupid with my GoPro on my head. Just trying to roll it up a little. concludes it, guys. Do a little. So the next one's gonna be the turbo and the map sensors that come with it. Then I'm gonna get it tuned, and then get the clutch, and yeah, turbo next.